So hello guys, Spill Computers, and we're back again with yet another video. So today I'm going to be showing you something called the System Information Tool. So your Windows laptop has this hidden tool that tells you everything about your machine, and almost nobody uses it. So today we are going to be looking at it. It's called a System Information, and it gives you a full hardware and software report in one place. So this is how you open it. So head over to your laptop, and you can press the Windows icon plus R. So when you press the Windows icon plus R, you're going to see this something here, and you're going to delete whatever is there and type this. So you're going to type msinfo32, and once it opens, this Windows is basically your laptop's health passport. Right here you can see your exact processor, your installed RAM, your motherboard model, your BIOS version, whether your storage is SSD, HDD or NVMe, and also you can see your graphics card. So, and even your Windows activation status. So it's a good place to see everything about your laptop. So this is mostly when you're purchasing a laptop. So anytime you're purchasing a laptop, these are the things that are supposed to look on mostly. And this tool is a lifesaver when upgrading your laptop also, or before buying RAM or SSDs. Check the system information first. If your laptop keeps crashing, scroll to hardware resources and conflicts. It shows driver problems and failed devices. So you can also export everything into a file you're troubleshooting or sending to a technician. Follow for more laptop hacks you never heard of. Thank you.